To adjust Equalizer in Motorola Signature, first of all, we'll need to launch our settings. Next step is to move down, and here we need to find sound and vibration options. After that, we can move down again and look for the Dolby Atmos. We can click on the gear icon and go to the custom options and select manual equalizer. That way you'll be able to adjust it manually right here. And you can go through all of the options however you like. You can also choose through different presets that are right here, or different loudspeaker presets right here with game, podcast, movie, and etc. So that you can also go for profile settings in custom and each other presets right here, and enable or disable surround virtualizer or volume leveler. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.